Welcome back. We are now going to work inside of the email section. In particular, we're going to work inside of the email accounts icon. And this will allow us to create email addresses for individuals or for ourselves for different purposes. And all we'll need to do is to write the name of an email address inside of this area, and then we'll have an email address to use. We'll need to put in a password, and then we'll need to determine whether or not we're going to use it continually. So if it's going to be one that we're going to be using on a regular basis, we may want to make this an unlimited mailbox quota. Once we do that, we'll then click Create Account. Our email address will then be created. Now once we've done that, we'll need a way to access the email. And so we'll scroll down here to the bottom, and what we can do is we can pull this drop-down menu, and then we can click Access Webmail. cPanel will give you a message that says that you can change your email configurations anytime. You'll click Got It. And you can choose either one of these methods of accessing your email. So in this case, we're going to click on Hoard. And that's going to open up our email box. The very first email that we'll get will be our configuration settings, and then any other email that has been sent. And you'll be able to see it here. And you'll be able to manage this email box in order to work with your particular email. Now, it's quite possible that what you'll want to do is you'll want to pull this email into an email client. In order to do that, you're going to click Set Up Mail Client. Now you'll have instructions on how to set up your mail client for this email address, whether you're using Microsoft Live Mail, all the way to the iOS for iPhone or iPad. You also have instructions on how to use systems like Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft Outlook, and you'll be able to use your mail client manual settings. And you can create as many email addresses as you want, and for as many individuals as you want that will be working with your team. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.